Namaste, from this side to that. I'll show you how I created this design in PowerPoint. Yes, animations create करना PowerPoint में it's pretty simple, and you will get to know about that in just a couple of seconds. And without any further ado, let's dig in. So for step 1, I need to create a rectangle, shape rectangle. Now I need to press Shift Option and drag this rectangle so that I can create a copy of this. So I have 4 rectangles right now. I need to select all these rectangles by pressing Shift, distribute horizontally. Now Shift and press on all these so that we can select all these. Option Command G to group these. If you are on Windows, you can press Alt Control G. Stretch this out. Now this is covering the entire slide, and that's what we need as the base for our design. Now Option or Alt Shift Command or Control G to ungroup all this. Now we need to add gradient to this. For that, go to gradient and see. It is already applied because I have already created these to save time, but to give you an idea, what we need to do is I need to add 4 stops over here. For the middle 2 stops, I need to add my main color, and for these starting and ending stops, I need to add a darker shade of my main color, and this will offer us this gradient. Now we'll copy paste the gradient from the other 3 objects that I have already created. All I need to do is select this, Shift Command C. If you are on Windows, Shift Control C. Now select this object, Shift Command V. So it will copy paste the formatting from one object to another. So I'm using shortcut keys over here, and this is done. Now next I need to copy paste the font, Command A, Command C. Select this, Command V. Now I don't need these elements now, delete. Now create 4 copies of this slide, Command C, Command V. Now for the second slide, what we need to do is we need to make this box double the size it is right now, and select Shift and press all these 3 rectangles and select these. Option Command G, and after grouping them, reduce their size so that it occupies the remaining half. Shift Option Command G, ungroup those. Why we are ungrouping those? Because we need to keep the elements consistent with the previous slide. So here there are 4 elements. We need to keep those 4 elements consistent. We can change their shape, size, or whatsoever we want, but we should not be like changing their existence. So if we group these 3, so then it will become like 2 elements. We are changing their existence. We should not be playing around with that. We can play around with their shape, size, color, etc. So here I'm playing around with size of the shapes. This looks fine. Let's make the typography 66 points. Awesome. Slide 1 is done. Let's move to slide 2, and we will repeat this same process. Instead of making that manual adjustment to the shape size, let's go to shape format. Width is 5.64. Let's copy paste this, and by coming to this slide, let's make the width similar. All we need to do is now adjust the elements on the slide. We'll repeat the process for the rest of the 2 slides. Now comes the main part, the part where the magic happens. I need to press, select second slide, Shift, and press 5th slide, go to transition, morph, and see. And see, the magic has happened. I go to slideshow mode right now, and let's make the click happen and see the animation. So we haven't updated the font size for the rest of the slides. We'll quickly go ahead and update the font size for all and see the magic is happening. We have created this super clean and interesting motion visual in PowerPoint. If you would like, you can also select these 4 slides and go to duration over here in case you would like to increase or decrease the time that is taking up for these animations to take place. Let's say 1 second is what we need. And again, going to the slideshow mode, see how quickly the animation is happening now. And that's my time for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hasta la vista, Cheero.